This 2026 K-Z Sportsmen Classic 130 Road is a travel trailer RV. It is located in Oklahoma City, Oklahoma, 73127 and is offered for sale by McClain's RV Oklahoma City. Click the link in the video description to visit RVUSA.com and see more photos as well as the current price. This new K-Z is 16 feet 9 inches in length and features sleeps 3, leveling jacks, smoke detector, air conditioning, LP detector, water heater, awning, carbon monoxide detector, stovetop burner, refrigerator, and 20 gallons fresh water capacity. The floor plan layout of this travel trailer features front bedroom, mid-kitchen, rear bath. The unloaded weight of this 2026 K-Z Sportsmen Classic 130 Road is 2,690 pounds. Remember, this is an AI-generated video of one of thousands of classified listings on RVUSA.com. If you're interested in this unit, visit the link in the video description to view more photos and the current price, or reach out to the seller.